Hi, it's Nick. This is not a normal concussion talk podcast. In fact, it's not really a concussion talk podcast at all. It's just me trying to help out local business and just by giving them a platform to talk about their business and share with people I know, friends, and businesses I know. And I'm starting off with Ashley Hissock of Premier Athletic Therapy, who's been on my concussion talk podcast before, and I'll let her talk about everything Premier Athletic Therapy. And but I'll do it first. I'll see. So yeah. So now I'm trying to think of what else to say, but that's what it really just. I guess just during this COVID-19 panic or whatever it is, or crisis.
Yeah,
Um, just help look with businesses any way I can really. So Ashley, I'll let you. You're my first experiment guest. So just go for it. Talk about your business. Talk about Premier Athletic Therapy.
sure. Well, first of all, thank you so much for this opportunity. I know we've done the podcast before, and I always really enjoy it. So I know this is not the typical situation we find ourselves in, where we're talking about our role or
And
new research or anything. But I do really appreciate the efforts that you're putting forth to put the spotlight on local business in a time that's a little scary, we'll
a little
say.
sketchy, yeah, yeah. Well,
It's
thanks. And Burrow trying a new recording technique now, so just may
yeah.
sound differently. So see how it goes.
Could go either way. Hey,
It looks good so far. The names look,
perfect.
the sound stuff look good. So
Okay, no, that's good. That's a good start.
yeah, exactly. Go for it.
Yeah. So I guess just to chat about the business. So I am one of the co-owners of Premier Athletic Therapy and Sports Medicine in St. John's, Newfoundland, and currently we are the only standalone athletic therapy clinic in the province, which is great. But again, people don't know much about what we offer or what we do. So we offer athletic therapy services, which are geared towards athletic and active populations of people. So if anyone needs like an exercise program, or if you're not sure about an injury or condition that you may be suffering from, then we do assessments just to kind of determine where the issue is, because sometimes it's not always where you're feeling your pain or your discomfort. And then we get you on a return to play program. So we feel that that's kind of where our niche is. So a lot of therapy that you see kind of gets you back to your activities of daily living versus, if you're a high level athlete or a provincial level athlete or even a recreational athlete, the demands of your sport can often far exceed the demands of your just daily life, whether that's going to work or going to school. So we try to bridge that gap by making sure that you're ready to get back into your sport versus just do your day to day activities, so to speak. We also offer massage therapy services, kinesiology services, which can look a little different depending on what you need. So we do personal training or kinesiology in terms of movement therapy, we'll say, but we also offer kinesiology as a post motor vehicle accident option. So some people, once they're done with their manual or passive rehab, they get referred for a strength training program to strengthen up after these significant injuries that they've sustained. So we also offer that. So yeah, there's obviously now with being shut down with the COVID-19, times are a little uncertain, but we are hoping to offer a telehealth or a virtual platform for our athletic therapy and kinesiology patients
Well, that's
in the
good.
very near future.
That's good.
Yeah, so we're not sure yet. The booking system that we use is all online based, and it's really nice. But when COVID kind of blew up big time last week, and people decided to shut their doors, the co-owner of that platform, Jane App, which is phenomenal. I can't say enough good things about it. They said that they were really going to push to have their telemedicine portal available as soon as possible. So we're just eagerly awaiting that, because I
Okay.
think some of our patients would certainly take us up on that offer to for virtual services.
Yeah. And so it's just I'm not going to bunch of questions I'll ask, but where can people find you, like online or in St. John's and online?
Yeah, so in St. John's, we're on 48 Hamlin Road. So we're in the west end of St. John's near the Village Shopping Center. That's probably the easiest landmark for people to find. And online, which is kind of where we're based right now because we're working from home, we can be sent an email. So the email address is hi@premierathletictherapy.com. We're also on Facebook. So if you search Premier Athletic Therapy and Sports Medicine, you'll find us. Please send us a message. We've also just recently put up a Facebook shop. So we do have some small wellness products if anyone's trying to do their rehab or an exercise program at home. We do have some small exercise products that people can purchase, and we can deliver it to them if you're in the St. John's metro area. And you can also find us on Instagram. So we're Premier Athletic Therapy NL on Instagram, and you can DM us if you need anything as well.
And you're on Twitter, kind of, but not much.
Not active on Twitter. So
No.
we do have a Twitter account. I think it's just Premier AT, but I don't think I've posted on Twitter in probably 3 or 4 years.
Okay, so
probably don't reach out to us on Twitter.
Don't rely on that space.
We should get better with that, though.
Yeah. What else did you? Oh yeah. Well, just did you have anything else to? Because you talked about your what you guys do, where you are, and what services you provide. Is there anything else you'd like people to know about Premier Athletic Therapy? Do you, Ash Asok, and Matt Moore? Is that?
I think that pretty well covers it. We just hope that everyone's staying safe and well. Hopefully this all blows over soon and that everyone can open up their doors again and get back to work. Other than that, there's nothing earth-shattering.
Okay, well, I hope you. I hope this. I don't know how much this can help, but I hope it helps as much as it can. And good luck for the rest of the year and the rest of how long this lasts. And I will on my page, concussiontalk.com, I'll have a list of all the businesses I talk to. If there are other businesses who'd like to talk on this podcast, then just drop me an email at concussiontalk@gmail.com or Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all at Concussion Talk. And and on my website, I'll list of the companies and a link to Premier Athletic Therapy's homepage is there now. So please check it out. And thanks, Ashley. And please visit Premier Athletic Therapy.
Thanks, Nick. It's always a pleasure.
Thanks.